Last time on Progression D, we removed the head to get resurfaced, installed new cams, and got the motor running again. Today, we're at JTM Motorsports, where Chris, our buddy, is going to help us tune our Haltech ECU.
So as we were doing the run, it started to get hot, and then we realized the tensioner pulley came off, so we lost the accessory belt. But yeah, we're just gonna find a bolt and put this back on and continue.
Unlike the dyno jet we used previously, our results today are on a Mustang dyno, which is a load-bearing dyno. This means its readings are underrated by about 17% than actual. So the 151 horsepower would actually be 176 horsepower on a dyno jet.
No power steering.